everyone. I have these lovely gold daisy enamel connectors. Now, daisy is my favourite flower and I'm going to make a bracelet. I've also got a gold-plated lobster clasp and some 5mm jump rings, and I've got my ruler to measure and 2 pairs of pliers for opening and closing the jump rings. If you are new to jewellery making, I'll link a video all about jump rings to show you how you open and close them. Let's make a start. So first of all, open the jump ring. We've got another one. So we have to put 2 on here, 1 each side. And then close. And that's just connecting the 2 together with 1 jump ring. See how simple that is? So we're just going to carry on. So yes, daisies are my favourite flower. As soon as I saw these, I thought, yes, I thought I must buy them. And I've also got like a cerise pink on their way to me as well. But I think this would be lovely for a spring jewellery. Obviously we just attach the 1 on that one. I do hope you're all well. Are you working on any projects at the moment? Let me know in the comments below if you are. I'm nosy. I truly love to see all what you're working on. Join me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. All the links are below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned. All of the supplies you'll find on my website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, which I'll link below for you. That's what we have so far. And this is what the back looks like. I think I'll make a video for some earrings, some matching earrings. I know not everyone likes to wear bracelets. Make sure you get it the right way. Okay. I've been doing the garden again. We are going to aim for 7 inches for this one. Just gonna measure. This one. So I think we can do another one. Probably going to take another 2. You can see how quickly this is being made up. So on this one, and all I'm going to simply do on here is open a jump ring. Thread it through, attach the lobster clasp and then close. Now I'm just going to pop a jump ring on here. If you wanted, you can put a bigger jump ring, thicker jump ring, it's entirely up to you. I'm just going to put one of these on. They're quite strong. I think they're 0.9 thickness. I need to open this jump ring a little bit wider. There. There we have the bracelet. I'll just zoom in on that one for you. I will make a pair of earrings next if you want to look out for that one. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.